Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you are using ChatGPT and you'd like to save your conversations to a PDF file, I've got you covered, so stick close. So ladies and gentlemen, we're starting out here in ChatGPT and I'm going to grab one of these existing conversations. So let's use this as an example, using a pro mic correctly. So there's no direct way of saving this entire conversation as a PDF, but what we can do is go up into share and we can copy this link. All right. And this will basically only copy a link to this page and not save it as a PDF. So what we can do here is click down and start dragging over all the text that we want to save. So let's say we want to save the entire conversation. Of course, you can save or highlight whatever part of the conversation you'd like. And now we've got it all highlighted. Once it's all highlighted, you can right click anywhere on the highlighted area and we're going to click on print. Now, right at the top, you will see, perhaps if you are connected to a printer, it will show you your destination. The printer will be by default. What you want to do is save as PDF and you want to click on more settings, and here you can change the margins. So it would be on default by default, and you can actually just go and change some of the margins here. So let's say perhaps the margins, we're going to say none. And then the scale, we would perhaps like to make it less or more, depending on what it is that we would like to do with this page. Now, this can be saved like this, and if you're happy with this, then it is fantastic. So let's go down and click on save. You can now just give it a name and then click on save. So you'll see now it's saved in your device. So if you actually just go, let's just open the folder and we can just say, here we go. Let's open it up, and here is what it looks like, and this is now opened in Adobe Acrobat. But what I like to do is go to Canva. Now on the homepage of Canva, you can go up to the top over here on the right hand side and you can say upload, and here you can upload that file. You'll see now on this recent designs that it has been uploaded. Let's go and open it up. You'll now see your PDF over here. Now let's zoom in quickly. You can see that when it converted it from the saved PDF directly to Canva, that it did make some changes, such as the font style. But what's nice about this is you can actually highlight this, and it's broken it up now into its individual elements. So let's say we want to highlight all of this. Okay, so you've highlighted all the text, and now you can actually go and change the font. You can actually resize it, you can move it about, and you can edit it here. Once you're done, you can go to share. Click on download. Make sure that the file type is PDF standard and download it after you've edited it. And there you go. I hope this was helpful.